everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today on In the Kitchen with Sandy, it is lunchtime. I wanted to throw something quick and easy together. Don't really have a whole lot on hand. I did have some zucchini, some onions, just some basic things. I need to go to the grocery store, obviously. But I wanted to share with you this recipe. This is one of my favorite ways to make zucchini, especially if you're going to put it over pasta or, you know, you can eat it as a side dish just like this. It's absolutely amazing. I've got some rotini going on at the back of the stove there because I'm going to put this over pasta. And it's fantastic, especially if you're looking to do a healthy lunch, dinner. You can make this for lunch, dinner. Hell, you can eat it for breakfast if you'd like. It is that good. Let me go ahead and go over what we're going to be using today. This is quite simple and easy, and like I said, it is one of my favorite ways to make zucchini. It is absolutely amazing. You could eat it just like this by itself as a side dish, or you could put it over pasta, what I'm doing today. And it's going to make a quick, delicious lunch. I added a couple tablespoons of olive oil into my pan there, and that is a teaspoon and a half of butter. And you know what I really like about this recipe? You could change it up however you want. Any vegetable that you have would go absolutely amazing in here. If you got Brussels sprouts, you could use Brussels sprouts. If you have yellow squash, you could use yellow squash. Mushrooms would be amazing. I thought I had some mushrooms, but I don't. Asparagus would be amazing in this. You could add absolutely anything you want. We're going to go ahead and toss in our zucchini. This was 3 small. You don't have to use that many, but I needed to use them up. I've had them in my refrigerator for about a week, and I didn't want them to go bad. Add a little bit of salt. Some fresh black pepper. Give them a stir. Go ahead and toss in your garlic. Whoa. We're going to let this cook for another couple minutes, and then we're going to add our petite diced tomatoes. I'm going to add my petite diced tomatoes, juice and all. I'm going to give it a quick stir. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. I'm going to add some minced onions, about a good tablespoon. They're going to add such an abundance of flavor. Mix it around. Maybe top it off with a little bit more black pepper. Let this cook probably for about another 6 or 7 minutes. I'm going to drain my pasta, and then we're going to wrap this meal up. Add your pasta in. And your cheese. Now let's go in for a bite. It smells so good. I love stuff like this. It's perfect. Amazing. So good. Make your house smell good too. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you give it a try soon. You know I love you guys very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Take care.